Now in Maryland's second largest county and now in the district, kids under 17 years old will soon face a curfew with the goal of curbing the rise in youth violence. But will these curfews for kids potentially create more dangerous problems and situations? Katie Reed joins us live now. And Katie, you actually talked with youth advocates in Prince George's County. What are they saying?
Good evening, Jasmine. Now, some youth organizations here in Prince George's County are saying that these curfews could put kids who are already at high risk at an even higher risk. And then they're not the answer, whether it be here in Prince George's County or out in the district.
Someone might be experiencing domestic violence in their house as well, right? So we don't know if that might be going on inside the house.
The youth curfew in Prince George's County is set to take effect on Friday, pushing children 17 and under indoors from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. on most weeknights, and from midnight to 5 a.m. on Friday and Saturday nights. The district begins reinforcing their curfew for kids under 17 from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. from Sunday to Thursday, and then from midnight to 6 a.m. on Friday and Saturday nights. Prince Ham, founder of Making a Difference, an organization working to create safe spaces for at-risk youth in Prince George's County, fears the curfew could unfairly target certain demographics or lead to racial profiling.
But we're going to hold the parents accountable. We need to make sure we hold the police accountable and make sure they're holding their power as well, like not abusing their power. These crimes are happening before the curfew is even occurring. And so the crimes might just happen even more before that curfew goes in store, but we need to have these babies inside the house and protect them by any means necessary.
The D.C. Deputy Mayor for Public Safety and Justice highlighted that a youth curfew in the district has been in place since the Juvenile Curfew Act, which was put in place in 1995, and that information has always been available to the public on MPD's website.
It's very infrequent that we enforce it, but as the mayor said, and I concur, and feel free to ask the chief, I know he'll concur, when we're talking about the safety of our youth, we take that very seriously.
Eduardo Ferrer, a professor at Georgetown Law's Juvenile Justice Center, says a curfew study that included D.C. shows curfews don't work. He says money and time should instead be used to directly help families and communities.
We need to stop scapegoating young people. And the reality of it is that adults control the policies, they control the resources, they control the programming. We decide the menu of options that are available to our young people. They're picking from that menu that we provide them. And to the extent that they're picking the wrong option.
Now, both of these curfews will be in effect for 30 days, and some are calling for the curfew enforcement data that has been collected during those 30 days to be released. For now, reporting live in Prince George's County, Katie Reed, D.C. News Now.